We are located in the cleaning room of the Vitesco plant in Frenštát pod Radoštěm, where DCT Czech has been supplying its grinding applications since 2007. Over time, we have been able to implement our solutions for all cleaning processes. Currently, 5 cleaning systems are used for 4 cleaning applications. The cooperation with Vitesco is ongoing. We are still focusing on controlling the running applications and gradually replacing the oldest equipment with the latest generation of cleaning systems. Today we discussed the replacement of the oldest air-jet machine, which is used to clean parts from the remelt ovens. This machine has been in use for over 12 years and will be replaced with the latest generation.